With your job selected, click Color Replacement. Click Edit, then click Eyedropper. Click the color you want to adjust. You see information on the selected color here. You can adjust output color settings here. To create a color adjustment chart, click Output Color Adjustment Chart. When you see this screen, select the number of color patches you want in the color adjustment chart. Then, select the amount of color variation you want between the patches. When you're done, click Add Job. The color adjustment chart is added to the job list. Color values are shown under each variant color patch. The patch without the color values represents the current output color. To send the chart job to the UV Flatbed Controller software, click Print.